So casually keep diving into concrete.
Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to my channel if you're clicking on for the first time today. My name is Toleah and today we are going to be cooking authentic Cajun Louisiana dirty rice, girl. And what makes it authentic, you say? The chicken livers. I'm just trying to tell y'all, it's the livers. We have an 80-20 ground beef here. We have mild sausage, pork sausage. These here came from our local butcher shop. Yeah, because, you know, I'm trying to get fancy. We have celery. We have all 3 peppers, all colors. White onion, and these are all the seasonings your girl, that's me, is using. So guys, it's almost dinner time. Let's get into it. Alright guys, my rice has just finished cooking. I would not recommend using hot white rice for jambalaya or dirty rice, but because it's your girl, you know what I'm saying, and I know how to cook it, I went on ahead and did it. But I would make it in the earlier part of the day, let it sit a few hours, or even next day rice will be better. But honey, we're gonna use her. I'm gonna insert a clip on how I made the rice for you guys today.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile.
Alright guys, yet again, your girl took out the huge skillet because I have 2 pounds of ground beef and 2 pounds of mild sausage. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in some oil. Like so, just a little bit. And we're gonna just start adding our meat. Sausage, ground beef. Sausage, ground beef. And so on and so forth. You get the drift. And your girl is making a lot. Why? Because it's a lot of us, sis. And we're gonna go ahead and crumble it up. Crumble. Like so. So let's get this browned and ground up. And I'll see y'all in a second. Alright guys, we are to the halfway mark. This is a lot of meat. This is 4 pounds of meat. Of mild sausage and ground beef that I have to ground up, crumble, and get ready for this good old dirty rice. So I will be back when everything is cohesively done. And that's period. Alright guys, it is finally done. So what we're going to do next, first thing I'm going to do is turn it down. But what we're going to do next is add the liver, sis. Now you probably like, girl, really? Yes, sis. If there's no chicken livers, it ain't the real thing. I'm just trying to tell y'all. Now when we were kids, well, my grandmother and my aunts and my mom and whoever made liver and onions, and they cook and they say, girl, come get your butt to this table and eat. You better eat that food. You better sit down there and eat every onion and every piece of liver. But I digress. Alright guys, so that's it. As you can see, those livers went right in, cooked immediately. We're about to take this out and we're about to do our vegetable. I'll be back. Alright guys, now that we are done cooking all that meat, we're gonna put some butter in the skillet and we're gonna put some oil. And when I say oil, I mean canola, sis. It's canola. just want to. I just want to, that's all. Alright guys, let's get this ground beef in. So we're gonna do the meat and the ground beef, the sausage, and that good old chicken liver. Put that in. Then we're gonna put some rice in. That's a whole cup. We're gonna add one more cup. Why? Because I can. Add a little bit more. And we're gonna proceed, you feel me, to incorporate. We have to make sure we have enough sausage, ground beef, and chicken livers, and rice. You don't want to have too much rice, or you don't want to have too much meat. Everything has to be balanced out, sis. I'm trying to tell y'all. I don't know everything, I just know what I know. Once I get this ratio on point, you feel me, we're going to begin to season. And I don't want no dry, dirty rice, honey. We're not doing that, sis. We're not doing no dry, dirty rice. So I kept some of that little juice, that little meat fat that was in there, honey. That's all flavor anyway. And I'm scooping that right in with that meat. We're going to add more riggedy rice. You feel me? One more cup. And we're going to do it one more again. And what I'm loving the most, sis, is that she has a shine to her. You know what that means? She ain't dry, but she ain't too wet. All right, let's get more meat and more rice incorporated. I will be back when it's time to season. All right, guys, I believe we have the correct ratio of rice to meat and meat to rice. So let's get into these seasonings. We got garlic powder. Y'all just have to believe it. Garlic powder. We have some red pepper crushed flakes, little cayenne, just a little bit. It's Cajun, girl. It's Cajun. You feel me? Come slap your mama. Or like we say in New Orleans, mammy. Some onion powder. Black pepper. And you know me. I'm just gonna do parsley because I can. And a little bit of salt, sis. That's sea salt, by the way. And let's combine her. Now you don't have to wait until your meat is cooked and your rice is combined and all those good things. You can add your seasonings whenever you want to add your seasoning. But if I'm browning my ground beef and my sausage and my chicken livers, and I'm adding seasoning to it, and then I have to drain it off, to me, you know, in my opinion, it's the seasoning's going right down the drain or in the bowl, wherever you draining that stuff off at. You know what I'm saying? So I just rather everything come together as one, as a people in the skillet, you feel me? And we just season it like this. And I will taste, and I will adjust, and I will taste, and she will adjust. In that order, sis. All right? Let's get her re-seasoned. I'm going to taste her. And guess what, sis? Oh, Jesus. It's time to plate up. And that's on period. Guys. Alright guys, this is it. This is the final product. You know, because your girl fancy, I went on and put some green onion on top. It's not gonna take away or add, but you know, just for the look, just for the thumbnail, just for the reasoning of it, I went on and did it. So that's it. And I love the fact that it's not too dry and it's not too wet. That's the perfect dirty rice. I'm just trying to tell y'all. All right, time to taste. All right, guys, here's the taste test. We'll see. Look. Okay. She's done it again, baby. She's done it again. I'm just trying to tell y'all. She's done it again. It's so good. I might have to eat all of this and then close it out. But guys, seriously, it's delicious. Guys, thank you for clicking on ToleahTV today. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And guess what I'm gonna do? Finish eating this, and she's gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.